Here are 51 sentence descriptions of daily activities. I wake up early to start my day with energy. After waking up, I stretch to feel refreshed. I brush my teeth right after getting out of bed. I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up. I make a cup of coffee to kickstart my morning. I usually prepare a quick breakfast, like toast or cereal. I check my phone to see if I have any messages. I make my bed to keep my room looking neat. I take a shower to freshen up for the day. I choose my outfit based on the weather. I organize my work materials before starting my tasks. I sit down at my desk to start working. I write down my goals for the day to stay focused. I check my emails to see if there's anything urgent. I join a morning meeting to discuss project updates. I spend some time working on my main tasks for the day. I take a short break to stretch and move around. I listen to some music to stay motivated while working. I make myself a cup of tea in the middle of the morning. I finish up my work before lunchtime. I prepare a healthy lunch to keep my energy up. I enjoy a break while eating lunch. I sometimes take a quick walk outside after lunch. I return to my desk and continue with my tasks. I check my emails again in the afternoon. I review my progress to see if I'm meeting my goals. I organize my notes to stay on top of my work. I attend an afternoon meeting to go over our team's plans. I finish up any remaining work for the day. I turn off my computer and wrap up my workday. I spend some time relaxing by reading a book. I go for a walk to get some fresh air and unwind. I do a quick workout at home to stay active. I prepare dinner, usually trying out a simple recipe. I sit down to enjoy a meal with my family or friends. I clean up the kitchen after dinner. I relax on the couch to watch a TV show. I make myself a cup of tea to enjoy in the evening. I call a friend to catch up on their day. I spend a few minutes journaling before bed. I do some light stretching to relax my body. I plan my tasks for the next day to stay organized. I brush my teeth before going to bed. I change into comfortable pajamas to get ready for sleep. I check my phone one last time before bed. I set my alarm to wake up on time in the morning. I read a few pages of a book before sleeping. I turn off the lights and settle into bed. I reflect on the day and think about things I'm grateful for. I close my eyes and drift off to sleep, ready for tomorrow. Practicing these will help you speak confidently about daily routines.